Hi there. Sorry, I was just immersed in this, the Nokia T21 tablet. I'm Frankie and I've been using this device for a while now. It's already become my go-to product. I use it at home, at work, while I travel, and it really has become my favorite device very quickly. Now, before I tell you more about the Nokia T21, I have a question for you. Do you know when Nokia introduced their first tablet device? Well, it was actually quite a long time ago, all the way back in 2005. It was called the Nokia 770, had a 4.13-inch touchscreen with a resolution of only 800 by 480 pixels and 16-bit color. And the battery would last for 3 hours. Well, the Nokia T21 has evolved quite a bit since its ancestor, the 770, and it builds on the success of its immediate predecessor, the T20. Like the T20, the Nokia T21 delivers on the promises of versatility, reliability, long battery life, and the unbeatable support of the Nokia brand. The Nokia T21 adds an upgraded entertainment experience, 2K display, impressive audio, faster performance, longer lasting battery, and has longevity at its heart, with 3 years of security updates, 2 OS upgrades, and made out of 60% recycled plastic. But before we explore the capabilities of this great product in detail, let's take a look at why Nokia should be a consideration.